Welcome back to Kitchen Days, where we turn everyday kitchens into inspiring spaces filled with warmth and personality. Today, we're stepping into the timeless beauty of Mediterranean kitchen style, a design that blends sunlit elegance with inviting textures and earthy charm. If you love kitchens that feel both relaxed and refined, this style might be exactly what you're looking for. Think warm tones, natural materials, and a space that feels like it's always kissed by sunlight. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to Kitchen Days, give this video a like, and share your thoughts in the comments. We'd love to hear how you'd bring Mediterranean warmth into your own kitchen. Mediterranean kitchens are inspired by coastal regions like Italy, Greece, and Spain, where life moves a little slower and spaces are designed for gathering. This style celebrates simplicity, authenticity, and connection to nature. The beauty lies in its effortless elegance. Nothing feels overly polished or artificial. Instead, you'll find textures, patinas, and materials that tell a story over time. It's a design approach that prioritizes comfort while still feeling upscale, making it perfect for both everyday living and entertaining guests. A Mediterranean kitchen is defined by its warm, sun-soaked color palette. Shades of terracotta, creamy whites, sandy beiges, and muted golds create a welcoming atmosphere. These tones reflect the natural surroundings of the Mediterranean coast, bringing a sense of outdoor warmth inside your home. The result is a kitchen that feels bright without being stark. Layering these hues through walls, cabinetry, and decor helps create depth while maintaining a cohesive, calming aesthetic. Natural materials are at the heart of this design style. Think stone countertops, wooden beams, and handcrafted tiles that add texture and character. These elements aren't just decorative, they create a tactile experience that makes the kitchen feel grounded and authentic. Rough edges and organic finishes are part of the charm. Incorporating materials like clay, wrought iron, and aged wood helps achieve that effortlessly rustic yet refined Mediterranean look. Lighting plays a crucial role in capturing Mediterranean elegance. Large windows, open layouts, and sheer curtains allow natural light to flood the space. When natural light isn't enough, warm ambient lighting and statement fixtures, like iron chandeliers or pendant lights, enhance the cozy glow. The goal is to create a kitchen that feels bright during the day and softly illuminated in the evening, maintaining its inviting atmosphere at all times. One of the most recognizable features of Mediterranean kitchens is the use of decorative tiles. Often hand-painted, these tiles add personality and artistry to backsplashes and accents. Patterns inspired by traditional motifs bring visual interest without overwhelming the space. They act as focal points that draw the eye naturally. Pairing these tiles with simple cabinetry ensures balance, allowing the craftsmanship to shine without cluttering the overall design. Mediterranean kitchens are designed for both cooking and connection. Open layouts encourage movement and interaction, making the space feel alive. Large countertops, farmhouse tables, or kitchen islands often serve as gathering spots for family and friends. Functionality meets hospitality in every detail. This balance makes the kitchen not just a place to prepare meals, but a central hub for conversation, laughter, and shared experiences. Finishing touches bring the Mediterranean style to life. Think ceramic vases, olive branches, woven baskets, and copper cookware displayed openly. These elements add warmth and authenticity while keeping the space feeling lived in rather than staged. Imperfection is part of the aesthetic. By carefully selecting decor that reflects natural beauty and tradition, you can elevate your kitchen without losing its welcoming charm. Mediterranean kitchen style is all about creating a space that feels warm, elegant, and effortlessly inviting. It blends natural materials, soft lighting, and earthy tones into a timeless design that never goes out of style. Whether you incorporate small elements or fully transform your kitchen, this style offers a perfect balance between comfort and sophistication. It's about creating a place where people naturally want to gather. Thank you for watching Kitchen Days. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment below. We'll see you in the next ING Kitchen Journey.